country fried steak. Gotta love it. We're doing it with venison today. It's easy. It's even better. Pound your fillets out with a mallet, saucepan, rolling pin, your wood, whatever you got. You just want to get them fillets down to about a 1/4 inch thick. There you go. See how they look? Now, you're going to season both sides with a seasoned flour. I'm using kernel flour here. Now, you're not going to worry about salting your meat or seasoning it because the flour already has that in that. Meanwhile, make your breading mix. It's going to be a 50-50 panko to Parmesan cheese mix. The ratio is important, the quantity not so much. Mix it up good, making sure it's nice and even. Now crack an egg, and just imagine that egg burn the meatloaf. Oh wait, that's not going to age well. Just beat or whisk your egg. There you go, much better. Now dip your filet in, or soak. And I hear that's a thing out in Utah these days. Yeah. Hold it up, drain off the excess. Now put it in that breading, pat it in. You want to make sure you get a good coating on that. There you go. Now your oil should be hot. It should sizzle up immediately, or it's not hot enough. You can test it by putting a piece of flour in. If it sizzles, it's good to go. 1 minute each side. Pull out on time. Drain on a paper towel. Enjoy.